Hello dear students, in this video we will do some extra questions which I have given you in assignment of chapter 15 probability. So let's start. Before starting this chapter, I am asking you that is this chapter clear to you all? Yes, come in fast. Is this chapter clear to you all? Okay, now some important questions of this chapter are, yes, what is given in question number 1? Cards marks with numbers 2 to 101. We are having cards numbered from 2 to 101 means 2 से 101 101 तक नंबरिंग की गई है, हमारे पास वो कार्ड्स हैं. प्लेस्ड इन ए बॉक्स एंड मिक्स थोरोली. उन कार्ड्स को एक बॉक्स में रखा गया है और मिक्स किया गया है. वन कार्ड इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. Now what we have done, we have drawn a card from that box, and what we have to find the probability that the number on the card is that card which we have drawn out. We have to find that the number on the card is an even number. That in first part what we have proved कि जो हमने कार्ड निकाला है बॉक्स में से उस पे एक इवन नंबर होगा, एंड इन सेकेंड पार्ट ए नंबर लेस देन 14, नंबर जो होगा 14 से लेस देन होगा, एंड इन थर्ड पार्ट ए नंबर विच इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर होगा, एंड इन फोर्थ पार्ट ए प्राइम नंबर लेस देन 20. स्टूडेंट्स सी हाउ मेनी कंसेप्ट्स आर यूज्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to knowledge about even numbers, means even numbers होते क्या हैं उनके बारे में पता होना चाहिए. Now this second part is easy, number less than 14 we can do it very easily, and in third part what is given, a perfect square number. अब हमें यहाँ perfect square number के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि perfect square number क्या होते हैं. Now in fourth part a prime number less than 20. Now we have also knowledge about what are prime numbers. what are prime numbers की prime numbers क्या होते हैं हमें उनके बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. So let's start this question. Question number 1. What is given? Cards marked with the numbers 2 to 101. What we will write? Numbers on cards from 2 to 101. Now first of all we will find total number of cards. हम यहाँ find out करेंगे कि how many total cards are there. So what we will do, total number of cards. Yes beta, what is given here? 2 to 101. 101 आपका एक्सट्रीम वैल्यू है. फ्रॉम टू मीन्स व्हाट इज गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन फ्रॉम टू मीन्स वी हैव स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2. हमने 2 से स्टार्ट किया है. नंबर 2 विल ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन दिस. सो व्हाट वी विल डू फॉर फाइंडिंग टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड्स, 101 में से वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 मीन्स 101 minus 1. व्हाई वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस? बिकॉज 1 2 3 4 5 up to 101. Now numbers कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुए हैं? यहाँ से. मीन्स कौन सा नंबर एक्सक्लूड किया गया है यहाँ पे? ओनली 1. We have included all these numbers, only 1 is excluded here. That's why total number of cards will be 101 minus 1 means it is equal to 100. I am repeating this concept. How many total number of cards we are having? We have to find it. And cards are numbered from 2 to 101. हमने cards को 2 से 101 तक काउंटिंग में लिखा गया है, लिखा है उसको. So for finding total number of cards, what we will do beta? We will write 1 1 2 3 4 up to 101. But what we have done? We have started from 2. 2 से start किया है. We are not including this 1. That's why what we will do, 100 minus 1 means 100. So from here what we get? Total number of cards are 100. Now what we will do, an even number. What is given here? We have to find an even number. Yes, students, tell me fast. What do you mean by even numbers? Yes, comment fast. Okay, even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. From here, how we will find an even number? Even numbers will be, we will start from 2. Now 4, 6. Okay, last number will be, is 101 an even number? क्या 101 एक even number है? No. When we divide 101 by 2, we are getting 1 as remainder. So, come to 100. Is 100 an even number? Tell me. Yes, 100 is an even number. When we divide 100 by 2, we are getting remainder 0. So, what will be your last number? 100. Now, tell me one thing. Are these number in consecutive manner? क्या ये number consecutive manner में है? क्या ये number लगातार आ रहे हैं? No. What we can see from here? 3, 5, 7 up to 99 means these numbers are excluded from here. We can see that एक number छोड़ के एक. So for finding favorable outcomes, what we will do? Favorable outcomes. Total 100 divided by 2. So from here what we will get? Favorable outcomes 2. How many numbers? How we have taken this 50? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many numbers? 5. And when we count these up to 100, there will be 50 even numbers. So favorable outcomes is 50. So now probability of an even number will be, how many favorable outcomes? 50. And total outcomes 100. Now on solving, what we will get? 0, 0 cancel out. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the answer of first part. Now I think this is clear. There should be no doubt in first part. Now let's see second part. A number less than 14. What we have to do in second part? A number less than 14. So identify those numbers which are less than 14. So numbers will be, what we will write? We will start from 2 and less than 14 means we will not include 14. 14 is excluded. हम 14 को include नहीं करेंगे. Why we will not include? Because what is given? A number less than 14. हमें number find out करने हैं which are less than 14. So which numbers we will select here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So favorable outcomes will be, favorable outcomes. Count these numbers. How many numbers these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From here, how many favorable outcomes we are getting? 12. So now what we have to find? We have to find probability. Probability of number less than 14. How we will find beta? Favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. This is our formula. So favorable outcomes are 12. Now total outcomes are 100. Now what we will do? We will bring this fraction into simple fraction. Now these two numbers are divisible by 4. Then what we will do? We will divide these two numbers by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 2 remainder, 2 0, 4 5s are 20. So on simplifying, what we are getting? 3 by 25. This is the answer of second part and this is the answer of first part. Now what we will do? We will do third part. What is given in third part? A number which is a perfect square. A number which is a perfect square. Now we have to identify those numbers which are perfect square. हमें ऐसे numbers find out करने हैं जो perfect square है. Means those number which are getting on squaring other numbers. ऐसे numbers जिनको हम दूसरे numbers का square करने पे हमें मिलते हैं. So suppose we are starting from 1. अगर हम 1 से start करते हैं, square of 1 is 1, but 1 is not included in this. So what we will do? We will do square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. So perfect square numbers will be perfect square numbers. What we will do? We will start from 2. 2 से start करेंगे means यूं नहीं है हम 2 से यहाँ लिखना start करेंगे. We will start doing square from 2. Square of 2 is 4. Now square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 16. Square of 5 25. Square of 6 36. Square of 7 49. Square of 8 64. Square of 9 81. Square of 10 100. Okay. Now when we do square of 11, what number we will get? 121. When we do square of 11, अगर हम 11 का square करते हैं, then we know that square of 11 is 121 and 121 is greater than 101. We have to select numbers between 2 to 101. हमें numbers 2 से 101 के बीच में ही select करने हैं. So these are our perfect square number. Now what we will do? Favorable outcomes. How many? Count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Favorable outcomes are 9. Now we have to find probability. Probability of perfect square number. Okay. What is the formula of probability? Favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Here favorable outcomes are 9 and total outcomes are 100. So answer will be 9 by 100. This is our third part of this question. Now come to fourth part. What is given in fourth part? A prime number less than 20. A prime number less than 20. First of all, what we will do? We will find prime numbers. What we will find? Prime numbers. Okay. Tell me students, what do you mean by prime numbers? Define prime numbers. Yes? Okay. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are having only 2 factors. ऐसे numbers जिनके सिर्फ 2 ही factor होते हैं means 1 and number itself. ऐसे numbers जो 1 और अपने आप से divide होते हैं. 1 means एक या अपने आप से divide होते हैं. Those numbers are called prime numbers. Means the numbers which are divisible by 1 and number itself, then those numbers are called prime numbers. So now identify prime numbers less than 20. When we start from 2, 2 is a prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. Now tell me prime numbers between 2 to 20. 2, 3, now 5, after this 7, then 9. No, 9 will not be a prime number because 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, come to 11, 13, no, 14, 15, 16 are not prime numbers. Now 17, 18 is not a prime number. Now 19. These are prime numbers with less than 20. Now count these numbers. Favorable outcomes. How many numbers? Count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So favorable outcomes are 8. Now we have to find probability. Probability of prime number. Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes are 8. Total outcomes 100 means 8 by 100. On simplifying, we can see these two numbers are divisible by 4. So we will divide these two numbers by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 25s are. So what is the answer from this part? 2 by 25.